Hi, welcome back. Now I'm implementing additional conferencing options in Skype for Business Server 2015, which I'm going to call SFB 2015. So in this video, implementing and troubleshooting conferencing policy, it's creating and editing conferencing policies. So I'm going to edit the conferencing global policy, create a site conferencing policy named the datum, orders, create a user conferencing policy, the managers, and grant the manager's conferencing policy to all members of the AD Global Group Name Managers. So what I'm going to do is in this one, I'm going to switch over to SFP1. And onto the users. I'm going to enable users. I'm going to add a filter. And I'm going to say OU is equal to, let's see if we can find anything on this right here. Fantastic. I'm going to select all the users, Control A. Okay. Now I'm just assigning all the users on here. I'm going to go to assign them to pool of datum. Enable. I click on conferencing. And I'm going to do is I'm going to click the global policy on this right here. In the edit menu, show details right here. The maximum meeting size, I'm going to change it, make it a bit smaller here to 20. I'm going to commit and return to the conferencing. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a site conferencing policy named Headquarters. I'm going to say new site policy. Datum Headquarters. Okay. New conferencing policy. I'm going to look for the recording tab. I'm going to enable recording. Participant. Enable peer-to-peer recording. Right here. Enable peer-to-peer recording. I'm going to leave everything else alone, then commit. Going to minimize the control panel. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a user conferencing policy named managers. I've set this new conference policy, managing conferencing policy. Great. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grant the managers conference policy to all members of the global group named managers. So I'm going to do these things one at a time. So now I'm going to do a for loop right here. So for each user in it, I'm going to grant this policy. Great, fantastic. So I've configured a default global conferencing policy for using SFP control panel, created and assigned a site level conferencing policy to headquarters, and created and assigned a user level conferencing policy to all managers. The next thing I'm going to do is do troubleshooting conferencing policy. So I'm going to introduce an error into the config, verify an error, and then troubleshoot conference. I'm trying to sign back in. Let's go take a look at CO2. How's it going? So what I'm going to do is on this, from here I'm going to try to call at